We're taking a video of Benjamin exploring the apartment.
Yay!
With his little push car thingy.
Push car thingy.
And a diaper.
And a diaper.
It's nasty hot here, so we're just keeping him in a diaper right now. Oh, he's gonna play with my radio. You getting on? I think he's gonna find he's a bit stuck. Oh, Benjamin, here he goes.
Good job, course correction and everything.
I know, he's doing really good at steering that. Okay, come on, this way. Come on.
Beep, beep.
Are you coming? Yeah, that's
It's
Daddy's bag.
Saturday, July 24th, 2010. Beastly hot day.
Yeah.
Ben and I just came back from a long walk. He was in his backpack.
Aww. And look how badly it's raining out here. Let's see.
See the tree limb that's down.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if you can actually see the rain on video.
If you go down to the concrete where the chair is, so everything else is.
Yeah, it's pouring.
Yeah. Suffice to say, it's a brutal day outside.
Yeah. But Benjamin doesn't care, does he? No, he was perfectly warm, while James got very wet.
I'm drenched. You can actually tell where I'm drenched and where I'm not drenched.
What? Says this video needs to be more about me. Jammed in there really good. Okay, go for it, Benjamin. You gonna play with Daddy's wardrobe? No.
That's boring.
Yeah. All
right. Oh, I go.
Whee! You can tell I clipped his hair a little bit in the back. He steers around corners like they do in movies, you know, when they deliberately fishtail around the corner? That's how he gets around corners. What? And off he goes.